today we're about to do the rear ABS. When you get a code, it will say like RR, like we're doing the rear driver side, so it'll be like RL or yeah, RL ABS, some shit. There's no code. I'm just taking it off because this is I'm parting this out. So you see a code, it says ABS. Get an ABS scan tool that reads ABS. Some regular engine light scan tool can't read those. You got to make sure it says ABS. It reads ABS. So when you check the ABS, it will show which one is no good. So it will say like RL. We're doing the left side, so it will say RL. And yeah, we're about to change that. It's the same thing in the 08, 07, 09. I think the 06 Maxima, Altimas, I think they're the same thing because same rear end. Shouldn't take that long. It's just the connector is under the frame and shit. You gotta find that shit. So let's you'll see. Let's do this, man. Alright, first things first, remove the wheel. 21 deep socket, impact, take it off however you can. Drill, hand tool, take it off, put your safeties on so you don't fall. And yeah, you're gonna need a 12 deep and 12 short, either or. I have a 12 deep and a short, just in case. Follow, this is the ABS sensor right here. The ABS sensor goes down. It goes all the way up there on top of it. You see? Go in there. You'll see when I take it out. But yeah, right there. It goes down to the right. I don't know if you see it right there. You see? Oh shit, spider web. Right here. Bam. The ABS, and it's the 12 socket you have to take off right here. It's 12. Let's put the socket on there. The deep one, because it looks like the short one won't work. Let's try the deep. The deep on there. Damn, can't even see. There you go. Alright, put there. Put your. Okay. There. Just wiggle it. So you get the bolt off. Well, my shit broke. Fucking scary. My shit broke. Make sure you spray it, heat it up, and try to turn it slowly. If you feel it OD tight, don't force it. Spray it again, heat it up, and turn it. My shit broke, so I'm gonna put it back, so I'll be alright. See? Wiggle it out. And it's a sensor. Make sure you look at the sensor, see if there's any damages wrong with it. Sometimes you won't see damages, but yeah. See if there's any cracks or anything. Yeah. You don't see anything? The sensor just fucked up then. Take this off. Take this off right here. Take that. There's another one right there. Take that off. Okay, now you see how it's attached right there? I don't know if you can see the brown right there. Oh, my finger too big. Right there, boom. The red brown shit. You gotta take it out. It's like you can pull it out, you can pull it, or just clip it off. So, see this shit moving? This shit, yeah. All right, so you take that off. You see that right there, that brown clip right there. There's another one right in there. So you have to take that out too. And it goes around. You see the cord right there? Look at it. I don't know if you can see it. You see it moving over there? That's the other. That's where it goes to. It goes there and it goes to the connector. Let me show you. It goes there, up there, down here to the connector that's right there. Right there. Alright, let's take those off. Alright. If you got this tool, you're lit, because it make your job so much easier. Take this off right here. Get that off. Oh shit. Okay. Pop like that. One's right here. To pop off. Okay, good. Now this, try to take this out, cause they're gonna give you a new one. Just pop that. Okay, it's like that. Pop it over here. Then this should give you another one, just like this. And yeah, connect it right here. Oh. Right here, push this down and pull it. There you go. Then take it out. Take out the ABS and make sure you connect it right back to this one. They're gonna give you a new one to put in these holes right here. There's 2 holes, and yeah, so you can sit on there so it don't hit the exhaust. Alright, let's take out the ABS sensor. So you can get that loose and just pull on this and just take it out. Just like that. Take that out. Just like that. And that's it. Get your new one. Same process. You gotta put this back here. Put it through under there and connect it to the connector. That's right there. You see it? I see it from here. That's where it is. You should zoom in. You see it? Right there. Bam. Connect to that. And yeah. That is all. The light should shut off. So if you change the ABS, the rear, it says the rear and it's still on, it don't turn off. Sometimes it should shut off automatically. As soon as you put it on, it should just shut off by itself. But if it's still on, scan it again. If it says the same thing, sometimes it'll be the ABS pump. And that's a bitch to do that. So if you have to put your bolt back on, I'll put some anti-seize on there so next time it don't get stuck. It'll be easy to come off if there's the next time. But yeah, that is it. Tighten the bolt, put your wheel back on, tighten the wheel, torque the wheel, check the scan if it went away, and that's it. Please give me a like if I helped you out, and subscribe.